Hi everybody, so I wanted to show y'all this wig that I got from Amazon because I think I want to do some colored hair for the holidays. And I just got a little cheap wig from Amazon because I'm more than likely only going to wear it maybe once or twice. So the brand is, I think, Loviness, and the wig was like $62. It is supposed to be a lace frontal, and I think I got 8-inch. So I just want to show y'all what it looks like fresh out of the pack. I don't know if it's going to need a lot of work. I like the color. The color is really pretty. The color is really, really, really pretty. Oh, it came with a stocking cap. This is the inside. Wait, let me move some of this stuff over. This is the inside. And oh, this don't look too bad. This looks kind of cute. I didn't know what to expect, but sometimes when you buy these wigs, like the cut is like really bad and stuff, but this doesn't look like a really bad cut. The lace is not super hard and thick, which is a plus. This is how the lace looks. I'm gonna put my hand under there so you can see. This really doesn't look bad for a cheap wig. I wanted to wear it kind of like straight to the back and like flip it. Wear like some flips in the back. So I don't know. I'm gonna try it on, and I'm also going to try the new Red by Kiss wig bands that are basically supposed to keep your wig in place and you don't have to put glue on or whatever, because I'm not a fan of glue. I'm not a fan of tacking down wigs in any form or fashion. I am big on sewing wigs down. Sewing them to your edge braids and then sewing them in sporadically throughout the wig just so that it doesn't lift up. So I just wanted to put it on my head so y'all can see how it looks straight out the pack. And I got braids and my bun is like hanging out the back, so I can't show y'all the back part. The hair is really, really soft and silky. Can you see it? This is like how the sides look. My edges is like showing a lot, but let me pull it down some so you can see. I think if you're a beginner, this may be fine for you. I'm not super big on baby hair, so I probably won't do many baby hairs, but I'll probably clean the hairline up just a teeny bit to make it look a little less, you know, like uniform. Like around here, the edges aren't bad at all. And like I said, I want to wear this to the back. So this is basically how it looks. I like the color a lot. Like I said, the hair is silky, but I don't know how it is. Like, I don't know if it's like at this moment, I don't know if it's like silky nice or like silky synthetic. Like, you know how you have that hair in the beginning, it'd be like silky nice, and then after a while you be like, oh child, you is feeling synthetic. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to figure that out later, but I'll see. So far I like it. I will see what happens when I put it on, and I will come back and show y'all.